Hello, everyone. Thanks for having me to share the workflow, how to do the data analytic for the for this competition. And I will go through in high level how to get the data and how to understand the semantic and how to write the Python. And first off, to get the data, we have to log in the HKSTP platform. So there's a link here. You will get this information later from EMSD. And to log in this system, Dicky from Science Part will share more about their platform after my session. So after log in this platform, you will get different data set to download. So make sure you have this email password to log in. Otherwise, you cannot get the raw data. The raw data just shared by Samson. And there's some meaning about this data. But first off, get the data. So after you log in, you will see a page for all the data sets you have permission to download. It includes different data sets. The most important data sets are the two building reading from different sensors. So make sure you can get this zip file and unzip it in your local development environment and try to understand this raw data. So this raw data is itself is meaningless unless you understand the semantic behind it. So how can we get this information? Here's an example of the raw data. After you download the dataset, you will see a list of CSV. This CSV includes the timestamp and the data reading. And there's different data point. This different data point relates to the semantic break model. Professor Linda and Samson just shared the meaning behind this CSV. So we capture this data from different sensors in the two buildings we mentioned. So when you open this CSV, you will see the very raw data in different in this time interval, 15 minutes time interval. We will share the reading in this CSV file. So to understand the semantic meanings and before you write your Python, you may visit our semantic graph 3D dashboard. And this link is for the workshop itself. You will get the production link later today. Okay, this page is the HKSTP platform I just mentioned. And if you have your email and username, you can log in this platform. Then you can download the dataset in zip format. And when you unzip it, you will see a list of CSV files. And the link I just shared is this graph 3D semantic dashboard. So you have different ways to look at the semantic break model. You can zoom in, zoom out, and see the relationship of different points. You can click it, then you will see different chart and download. So let me search some simple data. It is a typical data point. You will see the time series data. And after you check this table, you will figure out there's some transformation you may have to do, like data cleansing, or figure out the relationship between them. In this point is the water pump status from this period, May last year to August this year. then you can download the CSV by clicking this link, or you can download the dataset from the HKSTP platform. So there's some more complicated dataset. So you will need to do another type of data cleansing by looking into this presentation, because the data is from the sensor. There's not a lot of noise inside these signals. So you have to do data cleansing in your Python first before you do your data model. And we can look at one more complicated data set. It's from the return flow of the sensors. So there's more data to download. See. So you will see that you have a lot of data cleansing or regression to do with this data. After you do this data cleansing or build your regression model, then you can submit your Python and the data model together. So you can look at different data point by the number. This number is the CSV file name. I just show you in the PowerPoint. Or you can check the graphical presentation of the data model by clicking different relationship between them, or search by type. The prefix of this point is the sensor type or the device type, so that you can filter all the type here. So you have different ways of filtering. After you understand the data, you can write your code and submit the Python to the competition. Yeah, thank you.